What is up, guys? It's Jackson, and we're gonna be playing some Snoring. It's a pretty fun game. It's where you have to get the elephant to wake up. Okay, so start game. Let's start on level 1. Okay, so I already know the controls. So you hit it, and then it rolls. Let's see if I can get it. So that's pretty much how you play. It's pretty fun. See how many levels I can get till I get really stuck. Oh, the piggy, and the pig pushed him over. Next level, the zebras are jumpy. Oh, I bet they got hops. Jukes! He just juked that guy out. He was like, ooh, kill him. Okay, so I guess if the cow is like, what wrong? Okay, so I guess you can stop them. So they go like that. Oh, that's pretty cool. He's almost the same size as that elephant. Okay, let's go, cow. Drop. Oh, that's sad. Sorry, giraffes. Okay, next level. Penguins spin away when pushed. Okay, so let's hit this. Ooh, oh gosh. Come on, pigs. Ooh, hit the giraffe. It's funny, all I have to do is hit one thing and then it beats the level for me. Next level. Now use the animal's abilities. Okay, yeet. Oh, did I hit it far enough? Will they get there? And the pig won it for us. Okay, so I got a score of 98, which is good. Okay. Oh, I know what to do. Oh yeah, I've done that. Okay, I do know what to do here. And you drop it, I'm guessing? Oh, nuts. Restart, okay. Okay, I think you need to stop the cow. Oh, come on, get down. This might not be how you do it, but so, oh, dang it. How am I gonna do this? Do you do it while it's rolling? Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay, so you have to do it while it's rolling. Okay, next level. Oh, I see what you have to do. Oh, get the piggy to touch the. Okay, replay that level. Okay. Come on, zebra. Zebras ain't got no hops. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get it right here. You can feel it. No! Okay. Aw, dang it. Okay, replay. Yes! Okay, I got the penguin. Oh, it barely touches the elephant. That's all on that elephant's part. Okay, I got a score of 103. Okay, I think I know what to do. Oh, okay, so I know what to do. Okay, so let's do this. So the owl hits the pig, and then the pig slides him over, and then you have to go like that. Oh, I missed. I was too late. Okay, let's do this again. So the pig rolls, and then you drop that. Okay, that was what the life hacks. Okay, dang it. Okay, and then I'm gonna drop it now, and then you hit it. Okay, there we go. Okay, I got it. So next level. Okay. Oh, whoa, what is this? Oh, I got it. First try. I didn't even know what I was doing. That is awesome. Okay, next level. Oh, I've done this before. Okay, you gotta wait till it's right there. You gotta roll. Perfect timing, I'm pretty sure. Oh, perfect. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, it's falling off. Okay, so next level. Oh, dang it. Okay, so we need to release that a little earlier. There we go. Okay, so the pig rolls down and then you just hit the owl and it jumps. Okay. Yeah, it's like a slingshot kinda. Oh yeah, I've done that. And then I made it in the bucket spot. Buckets, Colby. Okay, this one I have trouble with. Stop. Yes, I got it. First try. Okay, that's good. 102. Okay. Oh, I see what you do. Dang it. Oh. Gotta wait until it open. Oh. Wait, what? 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 I don't get how you do this. Trap it in. Oh, wow. Okay, that got it. Okay, so that level was a little harder. Okay, so 105. Oh, I remember this level. I hated this. Hey, I might be able to do this. No. This is like my worst enemy. I hate this level. No. If I can't get this in like 10 tries, like, I don't even know. Bruh. Like, bruh. Oh my gosh. Maybe you have to do it right there. I never thought of, okay, I think I know how to do this. I will get this. Okay, right there. Okay, hit, and then bring up. Ooh, I'm close. Ooh. Good there. Oh. Ooh, that was probably the closest. Okay, this is my third to last try till I quit. Go on. Go on. Ooh, that was so close. Alright, I'm pretty sure this is, yeah. Yeah. Yes, I got it. Oh, yes, that was awesome. Okay, next level. Oh, I think I know what to do. Yeah, I know what to do. Oh, first try, like Kobe, right through the buckets. Wait, I don't know what I'm doing. Is that all you do? I see what you do. Wait, what do you do? What did you gonna do? Oh, I just hit it. Oh, wow, that was easy. I don't even think that's the correct way you do it, but that's how I do it. Oh gosh, this is confusing. Maybe rule that out to there. And then like you push that, and then you hit that. Then that knocks that. Hey, got it first try. That was kind of confusing. Just kind of work it out in your head. Oh yeah, I know how to do this. Gotta wait till it goes down. Okay, did it get enough? Oh yeah, I got that. Yeah, it's a total hit. Yep, got it. That was easy. Let's look at the level for the maps. Okay, 23rd. I might be able to finish it. Hops. Oh, I just can't reach. I don't have enough hops. Yeet. Oh, yes. Got it. Ah, how did that not hit the giraffe? Giraffe, not the giraffe. Come on, get there. Yes. Oh. I am so close to getting this. Okay. Maybe if I like stiffen it up. Wait, no. There you go. And like hit that. And then how does that not hit it? I don't get what I'm doing wrong. Ooh, it's so frustrating. I know you do that. I'm positive you do that. Then why would the zebra be there? Like, I'm pretty sure you do that. Okay, that's there. Step up. Yes, yes, I got it. Okay, that was a little hard, but, you know, I managed to get it, which is good. Okay, next level. Oh, I remember this level. I hated this. Oh, did I just get that? Bruh. Oh, I would have been like, oh, I see what you have to do. Oh, okay. Yes, okay. That was not that hard. Not as hard as the other ones, but you know, that was pretty easy. Okay. Now what are we doing? Oh, I see. Okay, that goes pretty high. So I'm gonna start it right there. What? It only goes down to there? Wow. Get there, piggy. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, start to go. Cause we're going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship. That wasn't necessary. Come on, piggy. Piggy. This pig's not doing very well. Sort of there. Yeah, that's gonna do good. No, just a second too late. Okay, I'm gonna get this. I'm like determined. Oh, that was good. That was on point. That was on point. No. Okay, I gotta exit. Well, I couldn't get all 35, but I hope you enjoyed watching. And please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.